How to reset algorithm on Instagram. Here's how. To get started, open the Instagram app on your device. Then look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. Once you're on your profile, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. From the menu option, keep scrolling until you reach the What You See section. And select Content Preferences. Next, tap on the Reset Suggested Content option. After that, hit Next to continue. You will now have a chance to review the account you follow. If there are any accounts you don't want to influence your feed, you can unfollow them. Now go back. Now select Most Shown in the feed. You can unfollow them based on your preference. Now go back. Then open Add Topics. Here click on the View and Manage Topic. Furthermore, click on any topic. And you can choose See Less to reduce this topic in your feed. Once you are happy with all your adjustment, go back to your previous screen. Finally, at the bottom, click on the Reset Suggested Content. A confirmation prompt will appear. Hit Reset Suggested Content again to confirm your action. That's all. This is how to reset algorithm on Instagram.